Andy here with Inland Boat Company. If you need to address misbehaving surf gates or power wedge on the water, let's use the Debug Assist to do so. From any of the 3 home screens on your 2022 plush Garmin dash, hit the settings and gear icon. Then we're going to go to Diagnostics, Debug Assist. To hit our surf gates, hit Surf Gate. If your surf gate is stuck left or right, cycle between surf left, surf right. You can see they extend and retract, and then center. For your power wedge, simply hit up or down. Down goes down. In this real world scenario, if you park the boat on the lift or on the trailer and forget to stow your wedge, simply come into Debug, press and hold the up button, which will allow you to stow your wedge without moving.